bad shape. This will cause a leak here. Get that funk out. Let's see that.
I am going to go to the garage. If you need me to come there.
Okay.
Okay. How's the dog? Alfred?
Okay. I use a screwdriver with this little bevel. This is a Pasco, which is available mostly any plumbing supplier, or you can just get one of these 6-in-1 screwdrivers. But I like if it has this bevel. That's the trick. You see that? And that bevel stops on the flat side of that rubber seat. So then, you know, I get a new one. You know, these things are a pain in the keister trying to do it with your finger. So I always, you know, find a screwdriver that's got, you know, this bevel, and look, it fits down in the hole too, so you can drive it straight in, just like that, man. See what I'm talking about? And get rid of these. Get them some new seats. Got them over here in the kit. So you can't even get them out of the thing. Use a screwdriver. Watch. Shazam. Shazam. See that? That screwdriver, man. That's it. As long as it's got that little bevel. The rest of this stuff ain't no good. If I do it all up and go all out. Add the same ball. And That's the only cam I got. It's the same thing though. Something there just in case you don't lose this down there. You're getting old, buddy. You're getting old.